Hello everyone, welcome to your YouTube channel AgriHunt. In this video, we are going to talk about ICAR JRF Agronomy question paper 2021. With their official answer key, how much area can be irrigated with a flow rate of 30 liters per second for 10 hours a day when irrigation requirement of the 100 days duration crop is 50 centimeter? And the options was option number 1 60 hectare, option number 2 30 hectare, option number 3 21.6 hectare, and option number 4 16.6 hectare. And the correct answer is option number 3. Option number 3 is correct answer, 21.6 hectares. And the question number 2 was the main objective of integrated weed management is, and the given options were near complete elimination of weeds with high crop yield, and second option was eradicate especially perennial weeds from the crops, and option number 3 was maintain weeds below the threshold level, and option number 4 to achieve high yield profits. And the correct option was option number 3. Option number 3 was the correct answer, maintain weeds below the threshold level. Maintain weeds below the threshold level is the main objective of integrated weed management. Now move to the next question, question number 3. The ratio of average depth of water stored in root zone soil depth during irrigation to the water diverted from the reservoir is known as. Options were operational efficiency, option number 2 project efficiency, option number 3 water convergence efficiency, option number 4 reservoir detention factor. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer, means project efficiency. So move to the next question, question number 4. How many agroecological regions are there in India according to ICAR? And the correct answer was option number 3, 20. So how many agroecological regions are there in India according to ICAR? Correct answer is 20. Now move to the next question, question number 5. Potassium helps in maintaining cytoplasmic pH between option number 1 7 to 8, option number 2 6 to 7, option number 3 5 to 6, or option number 4 4 to 5. And the correct answer is option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer, 6 to 7. Potassium helps in maintaining cytoplasmic pH between 6 to 7. Now move to the next question, question number 6. An example of the simplest carbohydrate. And the given options were glucose, sucrose, dihydroxyetone, and glyceraldehyde. And the correct answer is option number 4. Option number 4 is correct answer. Glyceraldehyde is an example of the simplest carbohydrate. Now move to the next question, question number 7. So this question was based on a statement. Statement 1 was India is a country that extends from south to north for about 3000 km between the longitude of 8 degree and 4 minutes north and 37 degree and 6 minutes in north. Statement 2 was India extends from east to west from about 32,000 km between the longitude 68 degree and 9 minutes east and 92 degree 25 minutes east. So in light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the questions given below, from the options given below. So the option 1 was both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. And the option number 3 was statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Statement 1 and the option number 4 was statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. So the correct answer of this question was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Now move to the next question, question number 8. Number 8 was India's meteorological department has been using long range or seasonal forecast for the southwest monsoon rainfall during June to September since. Option number 1 was 1883, option number 2 was 1884, option number 3 was 1885, option number 4 was 1886, and the correct answer is option number 4. And the correct answer is option number 4, 1886. So India's meteorological department has been using a long range or seasonal forecast for the southwest monsoon rainfall during June to September since 1886. Now move to the next question, question number 9. And the question number 9 was the amount of mixed fertilizer grade 12, 32 and 16 urea and MOP required to supply 100 kg of nitrogen, 50 kg of P2O5 and 50 kg of K2O per hectare in rice. Now options were 50 kg fertilizer grade, 90 kg urea, and 22 kg MOP. And option number 2 was 78 kg fertilizer grade, 60 kg urea, 32 kg MOP. Option number 3, 156 kg fertilizer grade, 177 kg urea, 42 kg MOP. And option number 4 was 204 kg fertilizer grade, 240 kg urea and 56 kg MOP. And the correct answer was option number 3. Option number 3 was the correct answer. That was 156 kg fertilizer grade, 177 kg urea, 42 kg MOP. Now move to the next question, question number 10. A wheat crop grown on 2 hectare area produced 10 ton grain and required 5 irrigation of 6 cm each. Find out its field water use efficiency. And the given options were 33.3 kg hectare per mm. Option number 2, 66.67 kg per hectare mm. Option number 3, 3.33 kg per hectare mm. Option number 4, 1.67 kg per hectare mm. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer, 66.67 kg per hectare mm. Now move to the next question, question number 11. It was based on match the following. List 1 to list 2, and the list 1 was about weed and list 2 was about biological control agent. Now in list 1, weed is Orobanche, Parthenium, Lantana camara and Cuscuta, and the bioagents were Cassia tora, Telonemia scrupulosa, Colectrum gloispridis and Phytomyza. And the correct answer is option number 1. Option number 1 is correct answer. Means for Orobanche, biocontrol agent is Phytomyza, and for Parthenium, biocontrol agent is Cassia. For Lantana camara, biocontrol agent is Telonemia, and for Cuscuta, biocontrol agent is Colectrum. Now move to the next question, question number 12. A clay content of black soils ranges from 30 to 80%. Black soils are developed on basalt or alluvial derived basaltic rock. Black soils exhibit elevation or elevation processes. Black soils have high bulk density. Now, on the basis of above 4 options, you will have to choose correct answers. And the given options were A, B and C only, A, B and D only, A, C and D only. Option number 4, B, C and D only. So the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. A, B and D. Option number 2 means clay content of black soil ranges from 30 to 80%. Black soils are developed on basalt or alluvium derived basaltic rock. And D, black soils have high bulk density. These were the correct answers. Now question number 13. Where is the coldest region of atmosphere? It was a very simple question, and the given options were tropopause, stratopause, mesopause and troposphere. And the correct answer is option number 3. Option number 3 was the correct answer, mesopause. So the coldest region of an atmosphere is mesopause. Now move to the next question, question number 14. The maximum permissible slope % for furrow irrigation short near horizontal furrows is. Given options were 0.1%, option number 2 0.5%, option number 3 1%, or option number 4 1.5%. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer, 0.5%. Maximum permissible slope % for furrow irrigation is 0.5%. Now move to the next question, question number 15. Volume of water required to spray herbicide in 2 hectare land if 2 liters water is used for a swath of 1.4 meter width and 50 meter length. And the given options were 441.4 liter, 571.4 liter, 631.4 liter, or 771.4 liter. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. That was 571.4 liter. Now move to the next question. The primary raw material used for commercial manufacturing of muriate of potash fertilizer is. Now given options were sylvite, sylvinite, langobinite, or schionite. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer, sylvinite. So the primary raw material used for commercial manufacturing of muriate of potash, that is called MOP. MOP is sylvinite. Now move to the next question, question number 17. It was the assertion region based question. So the assertion was given The synergistic positive effect of integrated nutrient management are due to better physical properties of soil, higher root growth, and supply of secondary and micronutrients. And the reason was site-specific nutrient management (SSNM) provides scientific principles for optimally supporting crops with nutrients as and when needed for a specific field in a particular cropping seasons and cropping systems. So, in light the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. And the options were option number 1, both A and R are correct, and R is correct explanation of A. Option number 2, both A and R are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Option number 3, A is correct, but R is not correct. Option number 4, A is not correct, but R is correct. And the correct answer is option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. Both A and R are correct, but R is not correct explanation of A. Means assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Now next question, question number 18. Which stages are most sensitive to water deficient in groundnut? Given options were option number 1, vegetative and flowering. Option number 2, flowering and pegging. Option number 3, flowering and pod formation. Option number 4, vegetative and pod development. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer, and that was flowering and pegging. So the most sensitive water deficient stage is flowering and pegging. For irrigation in groundnut, flowering and pegging is most sensitive stages. Now move to the next question, question number 19. Device used for measuring water flow in pipes, and the given options were venturimeter, weir, Parcells plume, or cutthroat plume. And the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 was the correct answer. That was venturimeter. It is the device used for measuring water flow in pipes. So जो pipes में water flow measure करने के लिए हम कौन सी device use करते हैं? Venturimeter. Now move to the next question, question number 20. Now question number 20. When PI is productivity per unit input of the limited or non-renewable resources, SI is alteration in soil properties, and WI is change in water resources and quality. CI modifications in climatic factors, and it is the time. The index of sustainability, that is IS, can be computed as, and the given options were option number 1, IS equals to PI into SI into WI into CI upon T. Option number 2, IS equals to functions of PI into SI into WI into CI upon T. And option number 3 was IS is functions of PI plus SI plus WI plus CI into T. And option number 4 was IS equals to functions of PI plus SI plus WI plus CI upon T. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. That is, IS is equals to function of PI into SI into WI into CI upon T. Now move to the next question, question number 21. By which process relative humidity of a parcel of air can be increased? And the options were adding dry air from outside, adding moisture from outside, decreasing its radiation, increasing wind speed, or option number E, increasing temperature. So choose the correct answer from the options given below. And the options were option number 1, C only, option number 2, A only, option number 3, B only, and option number option number 4, D and E only. And the correct answer was option number 3. Option number 3 was the correct answer. Option number 3 was the correct answer. That was B only, means adding moisture from outside. Adding moisture from outside is the correct answer for a process relative humidity of a parcel of air can be increased by adding moisture from outside. Now move to the next question, question number 22. That was statement based question. Statement 1 was a surface irrigation event is composed of 4 phases, namely advance phase, storage phase, depletion phase, and recession phase. Statement 2. In the recession phase of surface irrigation, the depth of water is applied to any point in the field is a function of opportunity time, length of time for which water is present on soil surface. So in light of the above statements, choose the correct answer from the given options below. And option number 1, both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Option number 3, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Option number 4, statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. And the correct answer is option number 1. Option number 1 was the correct answer. That was both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Move to the next question, question number 23. And that was a phenomena in degradation process wherein an intermediate product of herbicides proves more phytotoxic than parent compound. Option number 1, reverse metabolism. Option number 2, conjugation. Option number 3, metabolism. Or option number 4, coupling. And the correct answer was option number 1. And that was option number 1 was the correct answer. And that was reverse metabolism. Now question number 24. It was assertion reason based question. Assertion was the geostationary satellite appears stationary to Earth and can view the same area on the Earth continuously. And the reason was the geostationary satellite is orbiting in the polar plane of Earth at 36,000 km above the Earth. So in light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the given options. And option number 1 was both A and R are correct and R is not. Correct explanation of A. Option number 2, both A and R are correct but R is not. Correct explanation of A. Option number 3, A is correct but R is not correct. Option number 4, A is not correct but R is correct. And the correct answer was option number 3. That is A is correct but R is not correct. A is correct but R is not correct. Now move to the next question, question number 25. What will be the weed control efficiency? Now next question, question number 25. What will be the weed control efficiency if the number of weeds in chlorine-4 treated plot is 190 per meter square and that is a control plot is 361 per meter square? And the given options were 33.4, option number 2 43.4, option number 3 47.3, option number 4 57.3, and the correct answer was option number 3, that is 47.3. Now move to the next question, question number 26. That was statement based question. Statement 1 was plants absorb nitrogen from the soil solution as a nitrate NO3 minus and as ammonium NH4 plus ions. Statement 2, the content of nitrogen in healthy plants ranges between 1 to 5% depending upon the species or variety. And the given options were both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option number 2, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. 3, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. 4, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is correct. Sorry, option number 4 was statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. And the correct answer was option number 1. That is both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Now move to the next question, question number 27. That was assertion reason based question, and the assertion was given nickel is essential for the function of urease enzyme, and reason was nickel helps in breaking down of urea into NH3 and CO2. And the given options were both A and R are correct and R is not correct explanation of A. Option number 2, both A and R are correct but R is not correct explanation of A. Option number 3, A is correct but R is not correct. Option number 4, A is not correct but R is correct. And the correct answer was option number 2. Both assertion and reason are correct but reason is not correct explanation of A. Option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. Now question number 28. The amount of Baseline 45 EC for a plot of 50 meter and 40 meter at recommended rate of fluchlorine is 0.75 kg per hectare, and the given option is 0.111 kg, option 2 0.222 kg, option number 3 0.333 kg, or option number 4 0.444 kg. And the correct answer was option number 3. That was option number 3 was the correct answer. That was 0.333 kg. Now move to the next question, question number 29. In C4 plants, Calvin cycle works at option number 1, stroma of bundle sheath chloroplast, grana of bundle sheath chloroplast, option number 3, grana of mesophyll chloroplast, option number 4, stroma of mesophyll chloroplast. and the correct answer was option number 1, that was stroma of bundle sheath chloroplast. In C4 plants, Calvin cycle works at stroma of bundle sheath chloroplasts. Question number 29 done. Now question number 30. Following are the statements pertaining to a strip plot design, that is SPT. SPD. Now option number A, vertical strip plot and horizontal strip plot are never perpendicular to each other. Option number B, precision associated with vertical factor is sacrificed to improve the precision of horizontal factor. Option number C, the intersection of plot is smallest in size. Option number D, there is no relationship between vertical plot and horizontal plot with respect to their sizes. Option number E, precision of intersection effect is lower than main effect of vertical and horizontal factors. Now based on given statements or options, choose the correct one. And the options were option number 1, A and C only. Option number 2, B and D only. Option number 3, A, B and C only. Option number 4, C and D only. And the correct answer was option number 4. Option number 4 was the correct answer, C and D only. That was the intersection plot is smallest in size and there is no relationship between vertical and horizontal plot with respect to their sizes. Now next question, question number 31. What is the efficiency of sprinkler irrigation? And the given options were 60 to 65, 65 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 95. And the correct answer was option number 3, that was 70 to 85%. मीन्स स्प्रिंकलर इरीगेशन की जो एफिशिएंसी होगी वो होगी 70 से 85%, मीन्स 70 to 85%. Question number 32. That was a statement based question, and the statement 1 was acid sulfate soil is formed due to formation of xerocyte. Statement 2 was acid sulfate soil is found in Himachal Pradesh. So given options were option number 1, both statement 1 and 2 is correct. Option number 2, both statement 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. Option number 3, statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option number 4, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is correct. So correct answer was option number 3. Option number 3 was the correct answer. That was statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Means acid sulfate soil is formed due to formation of xerocyte, but acid sulfate soil is not found in Himachal Pradesh. Now move to the next question, question number 33. That was drought prone area program DPAP was started during option number 1, 1990, option number 2, 1980, option number 3, 1970, and option number 4, 1960. And the correct answer was option number 3, that was 1970. So the drought prone area program was launched in which year? 1970. Now move to the next question, question number 34. The following are the practices in stale seedbed. A, irrigation of the seedbed. B, cultivation, leveling and seedbed preparation. Option number C, sowing of the crop seed. D, plowing. E, spray of glyphosate or paraquat. So the correct answer of this question was option number 3. Option number 3 was the correct answer. DBAEC means the correct sequence will be DBAEC, means first of all plowing, after that cultivation, leveling, seedbed preparation, and after that irrigation of the seedbed, and after that spray of glyphosate and or paraquat, and last is sowing of the crop seed. So these are the correct sequences of stale bed preparation. Now move to the next question, question number 35. Nitrogen concentration is in the atmosphere. It is very basic question, and the correct answer is option number 1, that is 78%. 78%. Option number 1. Now question number 36. Husk as a drug is the economic part of which of the following plant? Question. The options were option number 1, mint, option number 2, citronella, option number 3, isabogol, or option number 4, palmarosa. And the correct answer was option number 3, that was isabogol. Now move to the next question, question number 37. 37 was match list 1 with list 2, and in list 1 there was a crop, and list 2 their Kc value, and crop was maize, sorghum, soybean, cotton, and Kc value 0.50 to 0.60, 0.55 to 0.60, 0.65 to 0.75, 0.40 to 0.50. So choose the correct answer from the options given below, and the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 was the correct answer. Means Kc value of maize is 0.55 to 0.60, and the Kc value of sorghum is 0.50 to 0.60, and Kc value of soybean is 0.40 to 0.50, and Kc value of cotton is 0.65 to 0.75. Now next question, question number 38. It was a statement based question. Statement 1 was the sun behaves as black body, and statement 2 was sun absorbs both all energy received and in turn radiates energy at the maximum rate possible for a given temperature. And the correct answer was option number 1, that was both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Means the sun behaves as a black body, that is true, and option number 2, sun absorbs all energy received and in turn radiate energy at the maximum rate possible for a given temperature, that is also true. In both statement 1 and 2 are true. Now question number 39. If the water potential of a pure water is equals to 0, what does it mean? And the given options were water is water with solutes, water contain solute and gases, water without solutes, water with organic sugars, water with inorganic sugar. And the correct answer was option number 2, that is C only, water without solutes. So अगर किसी भी वाटर का वाटर पोटेंशियल 0 है तो इसका मतलब है कि वो वाटर में कोई भी सॉल्यूट नहीं है, वाटर विदाउट सॉल्यूट. सो ऑप्शन नंबर 40, सॉरी क्वेश्चन नंबर 40. द मिलेनियम इकोसिस्टम असेसमेंट, that is MEA, was launched in the year option number 1, 2001 with support from United Nations, option number 2, 2001 with support from Australia, option number C, 2001 with support from Nepal, option number D, 2001 with support from Japan, option E, 2001 with support from Japan and India. And the correct answer was option number 1, 2001 with support from United Nations. So Millennium Ecosystem Assessment MEA was launched in the year 2001 with support from UN, United Nations. Now move to the next question, question number 41. It was assertion region based question, and assertion was given: median is the selection of central value located in the middle of the series when all observations are arranged in ascending or descending order of magnitude, but the use of median is not so popular. And reason was median does not possess any mathematical properties. So the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 was the correct answer, that was both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of A. So both are true. Now question number 42. Brace number 1 reagent consists of mixture of given options were 0.03 N NH4F plus 0.025 N HCl. So the correct answer was option number 1, that was 0.03 N NH4F plus 0.025 NHCl. So brace number 1 reagent is option number 1. Now question number 43. It was based on list match 1 with match 2, that was list equipment with their parameters. And equipments were given IRGA, porometer, osometer, pressure bomb system, and parameter transpiration rate, water potential, photosynthetic rate, or osmotic potential. And the correct answer was option number 2, that was option number A means IRGA, its parameter is photosynthetic rate. B, porometer means transpiration rate. C, osometer, osmotic potential, and D, pressure bomb ecosystem, water potential. Now question number 44. When rainfall is inadequate to meet the evapotranspiration losses usually occurs in humid region: A, invisible drought, contingent drought, meteorological drought, or permanent drought. So the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 was the correct answer, that was A only. A only, means invisible drought. So when rainfall is inadequate to meet the evapotranspiration losses, usually occurs in humid region is invisible drought. Now question number 45. Among the following nitrification inhibitor is option number 1 encapsulated calcium carbide, option number 2 lag coated urea, option number 3 urea formaldehyde, or option number 4 sulfur coated urea. And the correct answer was option number 1 encapsulated calcium carbide. Now move to the next question. Question number 46. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 was of weed species and list 2 was of seed per plant. And the correct answer was option number 3, means Orobanche seeds per plant is 5 lakhs. Avena Indovicina seeds per plant is 500. Striga seeds per plant is 50,000, and Veronica hydrifolia seeds per plant is 50. Now move to the next question. Question number 47. It is also match the list 1 with list 2. And list 1 is of herbicides and list 2 is of rate of application. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. That was Metachlor. Rate of application is 1500 grams. Tembotrione rate of application is 120 grams. Pyrosulfuron ethyl rate of application is 20 gram per hectare, and oxyfluorophene rate of application is 150 gram per hectare. Now question number 48. Clinostat is employed in the study of option number 1 osmosis, option number 2 growth movements, option number 3 photosynthesis, or option number 4 respiration. And the correct answer was option number 2 growth movements. So clinostat is employed in the study of growth movements in plants. Question number 49. It is also list 1 match with list 2, and list 1 is of crop and list 2 is of herbicide. And correct answer was option number 1, that was means herbicide used in soybean crop is Quazalofop ethyl, and herbicide used in maize crop is Tembotrione, and herbicide used in rice crop is Anilofos, and herbicide used in tea crop is glyphosate. Now question number 50. The most widely accepted theory for extent of sap in trees is option number 1 capillarity, option number 2 role of atmospheric pressure, option number 3 pulsating action of living cells, or option number 4 transpiration pool and cohesion theory of Dixon and Joly. And the correct answer was option number 4, that was transpiration pool and cohesion theory of Dixon and Joly. It was most widely accepted theory for extent of sap in trees. Now question number 51. It was a statement based question, and statement 1 was due to lack of mobility the competition between crop and weeds is active being visible in the beginning. Statement 2, a good competitor could be a species with least resources requirement. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the given below. And the correct answer was option number 4, that was statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So the statement 2 is true but statement 1 is false. Question number 52. It was also statement based. So statement 1 was liming of acid soils with limestone and or basic slag helps in neutralizing exchangeable aluminum Al3 and increasing pH of soils to a desired level. And statement 2, over liming of acid soils has adverse effect on soil nutrients availability, particularly of micronutrients like Zn, Cu, Fe, and Mn, or crop growth. And the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 was correct answer, that was both A and B are correct. Now question number 53. A commercial bioherbicide for the control of sorghum halicans is Options were option number 1 Divine, option number 2 Biopolaris, option number 3 Biolophus, or option number 4 Lubao. And the correct answer was option number 2, that was Biopolaris. Biopolaris was the correct answer. Now question number 54. It was a statement based question. Statement 1 was synoptic weather forecasts are popular all over the world because complex atmospheric equation can be understood throughout numerical charts. And statement 2 was in statistical weather forecast approach, a forecast tries to correlate one weather statement with another. And the correct answer was option number 4, that was statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. So statement 2 is true and statement 1 is false. Now question number 55, that was macrosperma and microsperma are the major group of the following crops, and the options were lentil, wheat, chickpea and field pea. And the correct answer was option number 1, that was lentil. Lentil was the correct, that was lentil. Now question number 56, that was assertion region based question, and the assertion was the first Sartor cycle is from precipitation into the soil and then as evaporation and transpiration back to the atmosphere is called blue water. And reason was the second cycle or green water follows the longer path from precipitation through soil moisture and groundwater and reverts to the soil. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer, that was both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of A. So assertion is true and reason is also true, but assertion is not correct explanation. But the reason was not correct explanation was of assertion. Now question number 57, how much photoperiod in hours is required by long day plants? Option number 1 less than 10 hours, option number 2 more than 14 hours, option number 3 more than 18 hours, or option number 4 more than 20 hours. And the correct answer was option number 2, that was more than 14 hours. So how much photoperiod required by long day plants? That was more than 14 hours. Now 58, question number 58, it was a statement based question. So during transpiration process, most of the water loss occurs through stomata. Statement 2, respiration required CO2 to provide energy during growth and development. And the correct answer was option number 3, that was statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect, means statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Now question number 59, distillery effluents also known as spent wash is a nutrient rich material and can be applied. Option number 1 directly to the soil only, as irrigation water only, directly to soil and irrigation water, mostly as foliar application. So the correct answer was option number 3, that was directly to soil and water as irrigation water. So distillery effluents also known as spent wash is a nutrient rich material and can be applied as directly to soil and as irrigation water. Now question number 60, list 1 with list 2. List 1 was parameters and list 2 was of unit, and the correct answer was option number 3, that was relative humidity unit is percentage, measured in percentage, and temperature unit is degree centigrade, and wind speed unit is kilometer per hour, and cloud cover is octa. Cloud cover unit is octa. Now question number 61, it was assertion region based question. Assertion was in a typical watershed project, development is started at the top of drainage basin and proceeds down to the slopes to the lowlands. Reason was upper reaches in a watershed are occupied mostly by forests which are often degraded and most in need of repair. Also treating upper parts of the basin reduces runoff and thus protects lower lands. And the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 was the correct answer, means both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of A. So assertion is true and reason is also true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Question number 62, it is also a statement based question. Statement 1 was C3 weeds such as Avena fatua, Phladis minor, Chenopodium album are generally more competitive than C4 weeds, especially at higher temperature conditions. Statement 2, in C4 weeds, Photosynthesis occurs via the Calvin-Benson cycle, and the first stable product is phosphoglyceric acid. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. Means both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Neither statement 1 nor statement 2 is correct. Means both are false. So option number 2 was correct. Maximum solar energy. Question number 63. Maximum solar energy is trapped by option number 1, planting trees. Option number 2, cultivating crops. Option number 3, growing algae in tanks. Option number 4, growing grasses. And the correct answer is option number 3. Option number 3 is correct answer. Means growing algae in tanks. Growing algae in tanks. Maximum solar energy is trapped by growing algae in tanks. Now question number 64, that was statement based question. Statement 1. The greenhouse effect in the retention of heat in the lower atmosphere due to absorption and re-radiation by clouds and certain gases. Statement 2 was the anthropogenic greenhouse gases effect is the result of accumulation of trace gases in the air from human activities. And the correct answer was option number 1. That was option number 1 was the correct answer. That was both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. So statement 1 was true and statement 2 was also true. Now question number 65. Sowing depth for maize and semi-dwarf wheat seeds are option number 1, 3 to 5 centimeter to 5 to 6 centimeter, 2 to 3 centimeter and 4 to 5 centimeter, 9 to 10 centimeter and 7 to 9 centimeter, and option number 4, 2 to 4 centimeter and 4 to 8 centimeter. And the correct answer was option number 1, that is 3 to 5 centimeter and 5 to 6 centimeter. So sowing depth for maize and semi-dwarf wheat seeds are 3 to 5 centimeter and 5 to 6 centimeter respectively. Now question number 66. Statement 1. Conservation agriculture is congenial for formation of soil aggregates and humus, leading to improved soil structure, soil porosity and pore size distribution. Statement 2 was adoption of conservation agriculture results in increased crushing and surface sealing and decreased soil water storage capacity. And the correct answer was option number 3. That was option number 3 was correct answer. That was statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Means statement 1 was true and statement 2 was false. Now question number 67. Match the list 1 with list 2. List 1 and list 2. And the correct answer was option number 4. That was option number 4 was the correct answer. That was means option number 4 was the correct answer. Means sulfur will be mottled yellow-green leaves with yellowish veins appearing on younger leaves. Since sulfur deficiency will be seen on younger leaves with mottled yellow-green leaves, and phosphorus deficiency will be seen on older leaves with reddish color on green leaves. Means reddish color on green leaves or stem appearing on older leaves. And nitrogen deficiency is chlorosis starting from leaf tips appearing on older leaves. And boron deficiency, youngest leaf is brownish or dead or on bead. So option number 4 will be correct answer for this question. Question number 68. The characteristic of saline soils are pH is more than 8 or pH is less than 8. Option number C, EC is more than 4 decimol per meter, or option number D, EC is less than 4 decimol per meter, or ESP is more than 15. And the options were given A, B, C only, B, C and E only, A, D and E only, or A, C and E only. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer. That was B, C and E only. Means pH of saline soil is less than 8.5, EC is more than 4 decimol per meter, and ESP is greater than 15 centimeter. These are characteristic features of saline alkali soil. Characteristic feature of saline alkali soil. Now move to the next question. Question number 69. Match the list 1 with list 2. Means mode of action of herbicides. And for question number 69, the correct answer was option number 4. Option number 4 was the correct answer. That was A will be option number 3rd, dinitroaniline. B, option number 4, ALS inhibition is sulfonyl urease, cell division disruption is dinitroalanine, and option number C, ACCase inhibition is, and option number C, SSCNase is fluazanifo p-butyl, and option number D, EPSP synthase is option number 2, glyphosate. And move to the next question, question number 70. Question number 70, it was a statement based question. Statement 1 was, in case of pre-emergence herbicides, less droplet size is effective, and for post-emergence herbicides, bigger droplet size is desirable. And statement 2 was, more the size of droplet, less the chance of herbicide drift and less herbicide activity. And the correct answer was option number 4. That was statement 1 is false, but statement 2 is true. Means statement 2 is true, but statement 1 is false. Now move to the next question, question number 71. That was, a xerophytic weed is, and the correct answer was option number 1. That was Flokia lanceolata. Lanceolata was the correct answer. Now move to the next question, question number 72. Find out the amount of Laudis, LAUDIS 34.4% SC for 6000 meter square maize plot if the rate of Tembotrione application is option number 1, 70 gram, option number 2, 140 grams, option number 3, 210 grams, or option number 4, 280 grams. So there is no any official answer key was released by NTA for this question. Means there is no any official answer given by the NTA for this particular question. So what will be the correct answer for this question according to you? You can comment in our comment box. Now move to the next question, question number 73. Under inter-row water harvesting, the furrow of about 30 to 40 centimeter with depth of gap are alternated by ridges of 60 to 70 centimeter, and the options were option number A 10 centimeter, B 15 centimeter, C 20 centimeter, D 25 centimeter. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. 1 A only, 2 B only, 3 C only, or 4 D only. And the correct answer was option number 2. Option number 2 was the correct answer for this question, that is B only. B only means 15 centimeter. So under inter-row water harvesting, the furrows of about 30 to 40 centimeter with depth of 15 centimeter are alternated by ridges of 60 to 70 centimeter. Now question number 74. Match list 1 with list 2 means years with events. And the correct option for this question is option number 1. Means Royal Commission on Agriculture was 1920, established on 1920, and Bombay Land Development Act was 1942. Central Soil Conservation Board in 1953, and ICRI SAT Hyderabad in 1972. And this question was also asked in BHU MSc Education paper by NTA, ICRI SAT establishment year, asked in BHU MSc Agriculture question paper by NTA. Now move to the next question, 75, question number 75. Interculture with bullocks or tractor is mostly performed in widely row sown crops. A solid or say broadcast crop where it is usually performed is option number 1, direct seeded rice, option number 2, ragi, option number 3, sorghum, or option number 4, wheat. And the correct answer was option number 1. Correct answer is option number 1. Option number 1 is correct answer, means direct seeded rice. So interculture with bullocks or tractors is mostly performed in widely row sown crops, but a solid broadcast crop where it is usually performed is direct seeded rice. Now move to the next question, question number 75. It is statement based question. And statement 1 was, periodically a phenomenon called as southern oscillation, that is a global scale seesaw in surface pressure with center of action near Indonesia, North Australia in one side and Southeast Pacific region in the other side occurs, and when it occurs, the above mentioned normal situation greatly changes. Now statement 2, pressure rises in the Indonesian region, and as the consequence the steady trade wind diminishes and may even change direction. And the correct answer of this question is option number 1. Option number 1 is correct answer for this question. That is, both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Statement 1 and 2 are true. Now move to the next question, question number 77. It is also a statement based question, and statement 1, magnesium deficiency symptom shows the first appear of chlorosis mainly between veins, which remains green. Statement B, iron deficiency causes intervenial chlorosis which first appears in older leaves with distinct green veins. Option C, manganese deficiency causes brownish black spots in pea and grey speck of oat. D, boron deficiency shows brownish or reddish young leaves in growing points of shoot and roots die. And the correct answer from the given options is option number 3. Option number 3. Option number 3 was correct answer. Means A, C and D only. Means A is true, C is true and D is true. A is magnesium deficiency symptoms shows the first appear of chlorosis mainly between veins, which remains green. And option C, manganese deficiency causes brownish black spots in pea and grey specks of oat. Option number D, boron deficiency shows brownish or reddish young leaves and growing points of shoot and roots die. Now question number 78. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 is of irrigation project and list 2 is of state, means which irrigation project is established in which state. And the correct answer was option number 1. Option number 1 is correct answer. Means Kunaya irrigation project is in Maharashtra. Idukki irrigation project is in Kerala. Govind Sagar irrigation project is in Odisha. And Hirakund is in Himachal Pradesh. Now next question, 79. It is of statement based question. Statement 1 was minimum, optimum and maximum temperature for germination of rice crop are 10 to 12 degrees Celsius, 30 to 32 degrees Celsius and 36 to 38 degrees Celsius respectively. Statement 2, minimum, optimum and maximum temperature for germination of wheat crop are 3.0 to 4.5 degrees Celsius, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius and 30 to 40 degrees Celsius respectively. In light of the above statement, choose the correct answer from the options given below. And the correct answer was option number 3. Option number 3 is correct answer. Means statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. About rice, it is true, but about wheat, it is false. Now question number 80. Recently developed mineral soil with no diagnosis horizon, low degree of soil development due to less time occurs in all the states of India is called option number 1, insectisols, 2, alphisols, 3, antisols or 4, histosols. And the correct answer of this question is option number 3, that is antisol. So the recently developed mineral soil with no diagnostic horizon, low degree of soil development and due to less time occurs in all states of India, that is antisol. Now move to the next question, question number 83. Match list 1 with list 2, means crops with their scientific names. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Means scientific name of oat is Avena sativa. Scientific name of berseem is Trifolium alexandrium. Scientific name of lucerne is Medicavo sativa. And scientific name of guar is Symphosis tetragloba. Now question number 84. Statement based question. Statement 1 was plants can tolerate drought either by mitigating the actual stress or by showing a high degree of tolerance to stress. Statement 2, plants tolerate the stress by showing resistance to dehydration and by preventing leaf collapse, permit the plants to maintain a high internal water potential in spite of drought conditions. And the correct answer of this question is option number 3, that is statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false. Means statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Now question number 85. Drug used for the cure of constipation and dysentery is originated from which of the following crops? It is related to medicinal aromatic plants. So correct answer for this question is question number 85. Correct answer is option number 3. Option number 3 is correct answer for this question, that is Plantago vata. So the drug used for the cure of constipation and dysentery is originated from which of the following crop is Plantago vata. Question number 86. Now question number 86. That is unfolding of protein can be termed as options renaturation, option 2 denaturation, option 3 oxidation, or option 4 reduction. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is denaturation. It is not very hard question. Unfolding of a protein can be termed as denaturation. Question number 87. That was assertion region based question. Assertion was sodic or alkali soils can be reclaimed by application of calcium carbonate, means CaCO3. Region removal of excess salts to a desired level in the rooting zone is the basic principle of reclamation of saline soil. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is A is not correct but R is correct. Means sodic or alkali soils cannot be reclaimed by the application of calcium carbonate. It is false. And reason removal of excess salts to a desired level in the rooting zone is the basic principle of reclamation of saline soil. It is true. Now question number 88. Harvesting time of Boro and Os rice is carried during option number 1 Rabi and Kharif season, Kharif and Kharif season, summer and Rabi season, summer and Kharif season. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Option number 3, that is summer and Rabi season. So Boro rice is harvested during summer and Os rice is harvested during Rabi respectively. Question number 89. Mr. List's equation is expressed by the equation log a plus y equals to log a minus cb, log a minus y equals to log a minus cb, log a minus y equals to log a plus cb, log a minus y equals to log a minus cb square. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is log a minus y equals to log a minus log cb. Now move to the next question, question 90. Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 with list 2. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, means Bray is related to percent yield concept, and Mr. List is related to law of diminishing return, and COW Wilcox is related to inverse nitrogen yield concept, and Parker is related to nutrient index. Now move to the next question, question number 91. It is assertion region based question. Assertion is given the main aim of topping and desuckering operation is to divert the energy and nutrient of the plants from the lower head to the leaves. The activities are done to influence the yield and quality of tobacco. And the correct answer for this question is 1, option number 1. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is correct explanation of A. Both are true and reason are the correct explanation of A. Now move to the next question, question number 92. The correct order of crops with respect of their water requirement. And the options given: rice, cotton, maize, wheat, pea. Rice, maize, cotton, pea, wheat. Rice, pea, maize, cotton, wheat, or option number 4, rice, cotton, maize, pea, wheat. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, rice, after then cotton, after then maize, and then wheat, then pea. So the correct order for water requirement is that option number 1. Now move to the next question, question number 93. Optical sensor used for real-time precision of nitrogen management in agricultural crop is options: option number 1, leaf color chart, option number 2, green seeker, option number 3, spectrometer, and option number 4, infrared gas analyzer. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is green seeker. Now move to the next question, question number 94. Which of the following is the correct nucleotide pair in RNA? Option number 1, adenine guanine. Option B, adenine thymine. Option number 3, adenine uracil. Option number 4, adenine and cytosine. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is adenine and uracil. Now move to the next question, question number 95. It is assertion region based question. Assertion was temperature above 25 degrees Celsius reduces the test weight of wheat grain. Reason, reduction in test weight of wheat grain is due to hastening in maturity. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. That is both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. So both are true and reason are the correct explanation of assertion. Now move to the next question, question number 96. Which of the following is not classified from the conjugated proteins? Option number 1, lipoproteins. Option number 2, glycoproteins. Option number 3, metalloprotein. Or option number 4, complete proteins. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is complete proteins. Which of the following is not classified form of conjugated proteins is complete proteins. Now move to the next question, question number 97. Question number 97. Match list 1 with list 2. IMD uses acidity index on the basis of PE, AE to access the fortnight drought situation over India, and the aridity class in list 1 aridity class, in list 2 index value. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. Means non-arid is classified under the index value of 0 or less, and mild is classified under 1 to 25, and moderate is classified under 26 to 50, and severe is classified under more than 50. Now question number 98. In shifting cultivation, the shifting cycle has been shrunk to about 5 years or even below 5 years, mainly due to option number 1, increase in soil fertility. Option number 2, decrease in population of tribal farmers practicing shifting cultivation. Option number 3, increase in population of tribal farmers. Option number 4, quality of produce from shifting cultivation is high. Now the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is increase in population of tribal farmers. So in shifting cultivation, the shifting cycle has been shrunk to about 5 years or even below 5 years, mainly due to increase in population of tribal farmers. Now question number 99, that is scientific names of green gram. That is scientific name of green gram, and the correct answer for this question is Vigna radiata. Option number 1, Vigna radiata is scientific name of green gram. Now question number 100. Question number 100. Which one of the following is radiation reflecting entry transdifferent? Options CCC2, option 2 kaolin, option 3 mobilif, or option 4 phenyl mercuric acetate. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is kaolin. Now move to the next question, question number 101. RGR is equals to option number 1, NAR upon LAR, option number 2, NAR plus LAR, option number 3, NAR plus LAR by NAR, option number 4, NAR into LAR. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is NAR into LAR. So RGR equals to NAR into LAR. Subscribe our channel. Now question number 102. The edible oil with its quick drying property is used for the preparation of paints, furnaces, and printing ink of which of the following crops? And the options were linseed, chickpea, mustard, and safflower. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is linseed. So linseed is the edible oil which is used for the preparation of paints, furnaces, and printing inks. Now question number 103. Tembiotran has been registered in India for its use in options sorghum, maize, pearl millet or soya bean. And the correct answer for this question is maize. Tembotrionate is registered in India for the use in maize. Option number 2. Now question number 104. Quantity of seed required for sowing direct seeded rice in 10,000 square meter area at a spacing of 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter if 1000 grains weight is 20 grams and germination and purity is 90% each. And the options were given. Option number 1 20 kg, option number 2 24.7 kg, option number 3 22.2 kg, option number 4 50 kg. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Option number 2, that is 24.7 kg. Now question number 105. Water requirement satisfaction index, that is WRSI, can be computed using the information on seasonal actual evapotranspiration, that is AET, and seasonal crop requirement, water requirement. And the options were given. WRSI equals to AET upon WR 200. Option number 2, WRSI equals to AET into WR upon 100. WRSI equals to WR upon AET into 100. WRSI equals to WR minus AET upon WR into 100. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is WRSI equals to AET upon WR into 100, means WRSI equals to AET upon WR into 100. Now question number 106. Earthing up is needed in sugarcane under which of the following planting systems? And the options were given: furrow planting, trench planting, flat bed planting or raised bed planting. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is flat bed planting. So earthing up is needed in sugarcane under flat bed planting. Now move to the next question, question number 107. And question number 107 is: a formulation of a herbicide generally not diluted and supplied ready to use is called number 1 WP, number 2 ULP, ULV, number 3 WTG, number 4 DF. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2. Option number 2 is the correct answer for this question, that is ultra low volume ULV. Now question number 108, that is which one of the following pairs is not the basic race of sorghum? And options were given: sorghum kafir, sorghum and kafir, durra and bicolor, junia and durra, gymnotheria and heterostarchy. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is gymnotheria and heterostarchy. Now question number 109. Assertion region based question. Assertion is given: integrated use of phosphatic fertilizers and organic manures per crop residues increases phosphorus use efficiency by reducing phosphorus fixation in soil. And the reason given is decrease in phosphorus fixation in presence of organic matter in soils may ascribed by formation of phosphohumic complexes that are easily assimilated by plants and formation of coating on the surface of sesquioxide particles. So most appropriate answer for this question is option number 1. Both assertion and reason are correct. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Option number 1. Assertion is true and reason is also true. Now question number 110. The degree of unsaturation of lipids can be measured as. Options were given: option 1 iodine number, saponification number, Richard-Michel number, or Polensky number. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is iodine number. That is iodine number. So degree of unsaturation of lipids can be measured by iodine number. Now question number 111. Dominant clay mineral present in red soil. Dominant clay mineral present in red soil. Options were given: option number 1 montmorillonite, option number 2 kaolinite, option number 3 illite, or option number 4 chlorides. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is option number 2. Option number 2, that is kaolinite. Dominant clay mineral in red soil is kaolinite. Now move to the next question, question number 112. This question was based on assertion and reason, or say statement based. Statement 1. Use efficiency of fertilizer NPK can be improved by following integrated nutrient management, that is INM. Statement 2. Integrated nutrient management INM utilizes the use of organic manure, inorganic fertilizer and biofertilizer. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. That is, both statement 1 and statement 2 are correct. Option number 1, both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Now move to the next question, question number 113. Magnesium is component of option number 1 chlorophyll, option number 2 cytochrome, option number 3 hemoglobin, and option number 3 hemocyanin. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1, that is chlorophyll. So Mg is a component of chlorophyll. Mg is a component of chlorophyll. It plays active role in chlorophyll. Question number 114. Enzyme used by biscuit manufacturers to lower the protein level of flour is called option number 1 amylase, option number 2 protease, option number 3 cellulase, option number 4 glycinase. And the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is protease. So enzyme used by biscuit manufacturers to lower the protein level of flour is protease. Now move to the next question, question number 115. For a field experiment conducted in RBD, randomized test design, with 4 replications and 6 treatments, compute the standard error of mean if error sum of squares is 120. And the options were option number 1 1.73, option number 2 2.23, option number 3 2.80, or option number 4 1.41. And the correct answer for this question is option number 4, that is 1.41. Now question number 116. Match list 1 with list 2, means crop with their varieties. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Option number 1 is correct answer for this question. Means variety of chickpeas CNG 469, and variety of lentil is L4147. Variety of urad bean is PU31, and variety for mung bean is IPM023. Now move to the next question, question number 117. Actual evapotranspiration equals maximum evapotranspiration, that is ET0, when options soil moisture not constant, B other factors not constant, option C both A and B, and option D A but not B. Choose the correct answer from the options given below. Option number 1 A only, option number 2 B only, option number 3 C only, option number 4 D only. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3. Option number 3, that is both A and B. Now move to the next question, question number 118, that is based on assertion and reason. Assertion was break of monsoon at critical stages for soil moisture stress leads to reduction in yield. Reason was only when the break of monsoon exceeds 15 days duration or more. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is correct explanation of assertion. Option number 1 is correct answer. Both assertion and reason true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now question number 119. It was based on list match 1 with list 2. So it was based on D Merton classification. And the correct answer for this question is option number 1. Means if the value is less than 30, it will indicate forest vegetation, and the value is less between 20 to 30, it will indicate prairies, and if the value is between 10 to 20, it will indicate dry steppe, and the value if the value is more than 5, it will indicate true desert. Now move to the next question, question number 120, that is intercropping is possible in regions receiving 600 to 750 mm of rainfall and having effective growing seasons in weeks of option number 1 10 to 15, option number 2 15 to 20, option number 3 20 to 30, and option number 4 30 to 40. And the correct answer for this question is option number 3, that is 20 to 30. So that's all for today.